how to export Figma files to Adobe Illustrator. Well, in order to do this, we have to create vectors from these objects, and the way we do this is if we go to export and we choose SVG and you click on export your project, and it should be able to open up in Illustrator, but keep in mind it should come up with different objects like these, but some effects won't be able to transition correctly, so just keep that in mind. But if you're just using flat designs like this, it should be fine. Something else you can try is you can choose a PDF file format and export it again, and then you can go to a website like Convertio where you can convert your files from one to the other. So if you choose PDF, you can convert it to EPS or SVG, and it should be able to open in Illustrator. So that's how you export from Figma to Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.